All right, traders, we're back. It's Sunday morning, and I have about 50 minutes. I just got back from surfing, ate breakfast, and I'm gonna go. I've got a marine wildlife tour today, dolphin tour. Hopefully, see some humpback whales. I found myself stressing about the trades a bit, just because the size of the risk on Bitcoin, and really wasn't the best trade, but it's all good. I mean, I'm here to my mantras, a couple mantras I have for trading, doesn't need to be perfect, just needs to get done. Every trading session, I have an opportunity to correct. And the second is just focus on what I have to do now, not where I want to be, not what I wish would have happened, but just where I am now. So we'll get into it. I get comments from some of you guys like, show the P&L, show the like no executions, what's going on? Well, I trade from my phone. If you don't notice, just recording this slows the computer down a lot already, and it's faster to have two devices. And I'm not doing this for entertainment. I'm not doing this to sell a course or a product. I'm doing this because I'm trading, and I trade better with an audience. I do everything better with an audience. It's a form of accountability, but I'm not here for the audience. I'm here to trade primarily. And yeah, I mean, sometimes I hold up my P&L and L and show you the positions from my phone. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of traders who don't show anything, and I'm not one of them. I'm showing you everything right now, and I have no reason to lie or hide. I mean, what did I make in October? I made 3,000 something $100. Why would I lie about that? It's not super exciting, right? So let's go ahead and get to it. See what happened. Okay, not good. Probably not good on this one either. The good news is that I have some shorts, and I haven't even checked since here. So, interesting. I wonder how much money I'm gonna be down, or if I'm gonna be up, because I think just the longs were bigger than the shorts. Oh, I'm actually up $1,000. Kind of surprising. So I'm gonna start by logging my losses. Really? $2,000? Jesus. So bad, man. I'm still in Bitcoin too, right? Uh, well, thank God I'm up money. Okay, so the XRP is negative 622. This round as far as $1,000 in my favor, but negative. And then I have a bunch of open risk on shorts, which might make sense to close. And then it looks like, um, really? Roll? 1,945 on this Bitcoin. Just doesn't seem right because thought I risked like a lot less than that, but let's look. 2,000 doesn't make any sense why it would be. It doesn't make sense to me how I have a $2,000 loss on Bitcoin on this. If the entrance was 70,000 and the exit was 68,631 and it was half a Bitcoin, this doesn't seem right. Well, it's not logged yet. It's gonna get logged together with the other Bitcoin trade. So I think I'm gonna lump them in. Um, this doesn't make any sense. Close long, sell 67,910. 67,900. Yeah, well, I got into it. I see, because it's averaging it up. So I'm just gonna wait till the full position is closed before I log it. Um, okay. But this is done. I'm still in half a Bitcoin long, and there's a decent chance I'm gonna be here closing my longs. So yeah, maybe it made sense to get out when, especially on this day, like we failed at all-time highs. I'm looking for price to come down into one of these regions to be a really strong long, but honestly, Bitcoin dominance up is, I guess, one of the reasons why I'm winning. Okay, there's not actually, yeah, we haven't even opened the other markets yet, so let's go ahead and take a look. Um, Depending on what's happened, it might make sense to, dude, I would say I really bungled XRP, like I've taken two losses here, and it should potentially have been none. I could still be in this from over here, but it's all good. I'm gonna leave this one alone. BNB. So BNB, I would have got filled on this idea here just now, which I didn't take. But I would say I'm now interested in this level. I'll keep an eye on that. But I had that limit set at one point. There's also Solana. Solana came lower than I was looking for a fill in this level. Doge, Pendle, Pyth, TRX. I was in Rune. I ended up closing Rune because it was showing relative strength. Um, yeah, thank you, hedges. Okay, what do we do here? Yep, Byko is another one I didn't take. They're just constantly working, man. I didn't take ID would have worked. I didn't take Byko would have worked. Didn't take Ray. Hold up, what? Yeah, I didn't trade Saturday. Um, Friday, yeah, I didn't trade Ray would have worked. Got stopped out of mask on this day. Didn't trade Ponky would be working. But I mean, I traded plenty of them. Ape would be continuing to move down. Saga. Okay. I mentioned with the alts, it seemed like a breakdown was likely, more likely. I'm noticing, okay, now we actually have a lot of things touching the lows, which makes me maybe want to, yeah, getting a lot of possible long signals, a lot on alts, which makes me maybe want to, yeah, let's close my shorts right now, most likely. So many. The altcoin market really nuked. Probably gonna close all my shorts. But I want to look under the hood before I make that decision. But I'm just saying everything from the market's giving longs. Yeah, others, it's giving a long, right? We're taking this low. we need to reclaim it a little bit, but yeah, it looks like a great place to exit the exit all my altcoin shorts probably, right? I want to come here seeing things at the highs to short, but almost everything has taken the old monthly low, which is a great place for longs. Now I kind of wish I was in that BNB long, but I would maybe take it. I could consider just taking it. I want to be more flexible. It was important to never market long. Yeah, I'm about to cash out the shorts. Look at this. Nothing's at the highs now. Everything has dumped considerably. Not that things can't get lower, but yeah, it's like, do I want to just long a basket of alts? Not really. I'd rather long some of the stronger stuff. I still have a Bitcoin long I'm sitting on. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Okay. Um, right, I need to leave in 25 minutes. Okay, the funding rate is not negative, but it's more normalized. Yeah, it's a lot of more negative on alts. Okay. I'm probably gonna close most of my shorts here. 25 minutes. Uh, Yeah, I'm back up a little bit. BNB. And I want to get Solana too before we get to the altcoins. Not open interest here. Funding rate. I mean, yeah, BNB and then Solana. I kind of wish I hadn't pulled that BNB long, but I can re-enter. It's not so far, possibly, if I think it's a good idea. So let's start with Bitcoin. What do we see? We saw a lot of open interest come out. Funding's not negative, but I don't think we need negative funding to go up anymore. Spot kind of did sell off the move, but futures sold off more. I mean, funding's come down quite a bit. Let's look at ETH. I like seeing open interest way down for longs. Same vibe here. Yeah, BNB looks good, has looked good for me. Solana looks okay too, honestly. I mean, we went from 2.9 to 2.2, but so much open interest has come out. A lot more could come out, but it looks okay for me. Okay, now let's move on to what I'm in some random ones. Doge, Pyth. I'm looking for supporting evidence to close my longs, ideally. Close my shorts, sorry, it looks like it. Pyth, TRX. I think those are the only ones I'm in, right? Pyth, TRX, Pendle as well. TRX, funny. Okay. Pullback before all-time highs was necessary, yeah. Yeah, a lot of liquidations. Okay. We could for sure go lower. Yeah, I like being a buyer in these two areas, but okay, let's check it out. And greed. Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. My computer is slow, yeah. I'm gonna bag these. I mean, spots I could see getting out. Funding is not negative, but open interest has come down significantly, like back to this level. Spots holding up better than perps. Here we actually, funding went negative, so easy enough to get out of Pyth. Seen enough. Also, we retraced all this open interest already. The easy one got stopped out, but negative funding is all I need to see to get out. Tron is ripping right now, and funding's negative again. That's all I need to see to get out. So let's do it. Pendle as well looks like it's maybe negative funding. Yeah. So I'm out of all my shorts here. Out of all my shorts. Yeah, I mean I made a lot on the shorts, and I'm up 1,000 since I last checked. So can't be too mad. So now I'm gonna log these. I'm gonna combine the Bitcoins as one trade because that's just how it appears in my in my thing. So Pyth, and then I want to take some longs. Pyth, uh, $972. Oops. So I haven't, right. I'll get my P&L is $958 right now with a bunch of consecutive wins. Well, that is until I realized these trades. So $972 on Pyth. TRX is 874. And these are both wins. Pendle 1,393. 1,393. And then we have Doge is 1,394. 1,394 on Doge. Okay, oops. These are wins. So oops, it's a loss. When, love my win rate, it's like 60 some percent. And then close these, and I'm just gonna show you because people are asking for the executions. So you see them. Gotta be out of here in like 15 minutes. So you can see, look. Okay, here's the trades, or the realized trades of the shorts that just got closed. See the green is the P&L. Again, I'm not here to fool anyone. So now after that, I'm interested in throwing some longs back on. I don't want to long. It'll be BNB. I'm gonna put on a BNB long most likely. Right, this is where it would be. It hasn't really moved all that much. Um, but it's coming to an area that I like. Right, we ate up this whole daily fair value gap here. A lot of volatility came in. Yeah. Wow. Tron could keep going. Like they could all keep going. But I just want to take fresh signals. This one came pretty close to TP anyways. So I'm gonna throw in a BNB along and that's it. I would maybe come back and look for, yo, Doge was pretty money too. Rune, I quit early, which was unfortunate because it's all good. Okay. I might try XRP one more time. I would rather just do BNB and then for XRP I'll wait and I can do it again if we take this low. So this didn't happen, it's okay. I would allow for like a gentle sweep of the low, but maybe I like using the one ATR band stop, honestly. Something like this. And then, yeah, I like the idea of having longs from lower. I mean, Bitcoin, I have this one all the way down here. Kind of like the idea of, yeah, we just add them on Bitcoin, BNB and leave Bitcoin alone. So 557, my stop's going to be at 538, which is about 20. So I'm going to do about 30 BNB. And I'm going to put my stop at about 538. And I like to have a TP on these ones. TP would be right here at 634. 634 is good. I could. I think I'm satisfied with that. I don't. Again, XRP, I think I'll wait to sweep this low potentially. So yeah, now I'm like kind of pointing in a single direction. which could lead to a loss, but it's okay. The funding went negative on all these things. And yeah, maybe stick with them, but this thing's been so strong, right? Pendle. I already got a good pullback. Interesting, yeah, Ray would have worked good. Pepe. Right. So what do I need to log this trade entry. Right, we already have, by the way. So what I'm looking for is to take something on the left, which we did here. Closing all my shorts is maybe they all went negative. I mean, it's fine. Like price can continue down, but I feel like that was correct. But yeah, maybe we get like a long downtrend. It's possible. But that's like the top of the market. It's possible. So I'm gonna take a BNB, and that's gonna be it. Um, I'm gonna call it a 4-hour fair value gap chase. Market chase. Because it was a 4-hour fair value gap. Then I chased it. 30 BNB. Yeah, it's unfortunate that well, it's not unfortunate, but I should have I don't know. I'm doing fine. If we get down here and here, I'm ready. And yeah, it'll be some losses because closed all my shorts. Yeah, I mean, be interesting if this closes as a breakdown, though. It's something that could happen. But compare where it is on the chart, what I'm seeing on the various charts, and the funding going negative. It feels like a place to definitely it's not a place to be short alts anymore, no matter how much further I wanted them to go. So, all right, happy trading. I'm just in a couple longs now. Much love and peace.